Dr. Heavenly, and you guys want to see my closet. Okay, I have a 3-story closet here. I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of it here. Come on in. This is the first level. This is where I put my everyday wear, the stuff I wear kind of often. I acquired a lot of clothes. And in here, I actually set this up as a part of my closet to be, so I can wash my clothes and take care of everything. And then I go up my spiral stairs. This is the second floor of my closet. If you can see, I have all my jewelry out here. This jewelry ain't real, y'all, so don't get excited, okay? I keep my good stuff in a safe. And this is where I keep most of my shoes, my expensive shoes. I think I wore these to watch What Happens Live. I did that. Actually, my good friend Jackie bought me these shoes here for my birthday. Aren't they cute? They're cute. And then these shoes here hurt like hell, so I don't ever wear those. I love my closet because I got a space for everything. And if we keep going here, I went ahead and did a third level. It's like my upper room, if you will. This is all the clothes I really have. These are the dresses I wear. And these are all the things I've already worn. And then I always keep the clothes I haven't worn yet here so I can keep them separate. You gotta have a bar. You gotta have something, if you want to sit down, have a drink while you're getting ready, sit on the couch, relax, and have a cocktail. So you keep your closet with a bar, a refrigerator, what we got in here, some wine, and things. Look what I got up here. Absolutely, boy, that's what I'm talking about. And in this room here, I study, I do my vlogs. I come in here and I pray and I meditate. I've been working a long time, guys. I got all kind of honors and awards. Real estate, dentistry, I've been doing it for years and years. This is just some of the places where I display my stuff. I think every girl should have a closet, don't you? While I'm in my closet, I'm gonna sit here and watch TV and talk and have a good day. Bye-bye.
I'm Dr. Simone, and this is my husband, Cecil. To subscribe, click here. For more videos, click here.